In the sun-shimmered island of Jamaica's azure waters hid secrets beyond imagination. Among the island's deep-sea divers was Jodian, a seasoned explorer known for her daring dives into the uncharted depths. Her latest mission: investigate a mysterious glowing anomaly near the submerged ruins off the coast of Port Royal. Clad in her advanced exodive suit, Jodian descended into the abyss. As she navigated through coral reefs and ancient debris, the glow intensified. Suddenly, she encountered a shimmering, alien artifact emitting pulsating light. Touching it, she felt a surge of energy course through her, a link to an unknown civilization. The artifact transmitted images of a thriving, intelligent aquatic species calling these waters home. They had been watching humans for centuries, waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves. Jodian realized her discovery could forge a new alliance, one that could help heal the battered oceans and restore balance to Earth's fragile ecosystems. Emerging from the depths, Jodian knew her life had changed forever. The secrets of the deep had unlocked a future where humans and alien guardians could work together to protect their shared home. As the morning sun rose over Jamaica, she promised herself to guard these revelations and foster a new era of interspecies harmony beneath the waves.